Alexa, how do you say vermicelli? Is it vermicelli or vermicelli? Hello, this is Chef Sarah, and today we're going to be making spring roll in a bowl. So first thing you're going to need is vermicelli noodles. These are rice noodles to kind of emulate your rice wrap. Then I have some very finely processed peanuts. I have cucumber, carrot, rough chopped cilantro, and then I have a dressing. This dressing is just sweet chili sauce, a couple of limes worth of juice. I have some sriracha, a little bit of sesame oil. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together. Super easy. There's a huge world of cold noodle salads, and I love all of them. You can be super creative with this. You can change up the noodles, you can change up the dressing, although I think this is a good staple dressing. I've made some with mango and coconut and all kinds of stuff. So use this as a base and then be as creative as you want to. So we're going to just assemble. That's it. We're just really simple today. And I will tell you that the longer you let this set, I would say not too long because some of the cucumber can break down and it'll get too watery. But let it set for 4 hours if you can, just to let everything get soft. The carrots will become more pliable and the flavors will marry. Okay, so we're just gonna start mixing it. Your biggest challenge here is with these noodles. These noodles want to stick together. They know each other. They have memories and they don't want anything else to get in the way. So we're gonna have to kind of mix them up and force the bond. So put those in and then we're just going to mix everything. I think it works better with your hands personally than with tongs because you can kind of just move everything where you need it to move. I will say too, once you get the dressing on there, it kind of helps separate those noodles. Okay. So I'm going to put a lot of these peanuts on. Maybe not all of them, but I like them. They add a really cool texture. You could also do this with toasted sesame seeds rather, and that would give you a very similar texture. This just has a little more fragrance like that. I love the peanut. It just goes with the spring roll theme. Dressing. I'm going to go ahead and add all of it. It's going to soak in to those noodles a little bit. A little trick too is maybe just slightly undercook your noodles so that when you put that sauce in, it'll continue to soften them and infuse them with flavor. Now you'll see what I mean. See how all of the sauce wants to cling into those noodles, so you really just have to force the issue here. It's so messy. Okay, once you get all mixed up, you can plate it up. And I'm going noodle heavy because, like I said, they want to stick together, and then you can just grab your vegetables that are floating on top. Throw those on. You can throw a little bit more peanuts. And there it is. And serve it very cold if you can. Very cold is delicious. And eat it with chopsticks because it's fun. Thank you for watching.